Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see a appam recipe made with just two main ingredients. For this recipe I've taken rice flour 2 cups, coconut milk 2 cups and salt as needed. First I'm going to add coconut milk to the rice flour and mix it. We can add water to get the right consistency. We need to mix it well so we don't get any lumps in the batter. To this I'm going to add salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is optional, we don't have to use it. We need to get to this consistency. I'm going to ferment this batter for about 8 to 10 hours. This batter has fermented for 10 hours. Now I'm going to add less than 1/4 cup of water and mix it. You can see the consistency of the batter here. Batter is ready to make appam. Heat the appam pan and brush it with oil. Once the pan is hot, add batter in the middle of the pan. Rotate the pan in a circular motion to get thin edges. Cover this and cook on low flame. This may take about 1 minute to cook. This is cooked. We can remove from the pan now. We can follow the same procedure for the rest of the batter. We don't have to grind rice to make this appam. We can use powdered rice flour. I'm using store-bought rice flour. Soft and delicious appam with just 2 basic ingredients is ready. Please try this yummy recipe. We can eat this with coconut milk or any type of curry. Please try this recipe and post your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel, and if you want to get the notifications, please select the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.